Everyone's always asking me, when is it the best time to sell? Well, the answer to that question might actually surprise you. Every season in real estate has its own advantages, and understanding them can help you to make a more informed decision. Let's start with summer. It's a busy period with plenty of people looking at purchasing before the end of the year. However, early January can be a little quieter while people are away on holidays. But by late January, the market starts to really pick up again. Summer's also a great time to showcase outdoor entertaining areas and swimming pools. Then comes autumn, which I like to call the hidden gem of the calendar year. The weather's great, homes photographed perfectly, and serious buyers are still active before winter, with less competition than in spring. Winter's often seen as the quiet season, but this can actually work in your favor. With an average of 25 to 30% less properties on the market, supply is scarce, and that makes your property really stand out. Finally, spring. The gardens are blooming, the weather's perfect, and buyer demand is high. But just keep in mind that by mid to late spring, property listings often rise by 30%. So listing in early spring can give you the perfect balance between supply and demand. So in closing, my opinion is there's no perfect time to sell. With the right strategy, smart marketing, and great advice from your agent, you can achieve a fantastic result any time of the year. And if you're still unsure about when to sell, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help.